Hadian kadway singi jong kajing petri na kibor kaan ba Julius Darpang Wemeli kamauti constituency ubala syak kno dan ketibu la songlok jubor ya ko ika kena khatsau snem dakba shutiet takapisa na kinong penyat kaimet ubala syak kemno agamiet jong handri tarik mentau kelalingkot na SBT Gorchuk Guwahati kipulet kajela ringkat kajing trelang kipulet na Guwahati hadian belawan rai ba Julius na Guwahati kipulet kajela kilalet panyalam iban le medical check up ene dang step rangap a civil hospital chlong haswa ban rai u shalai mkra PS katkom ka case number aspa lai phundai yo ba Julius Darpang lawan yalam makiyeng bishar kabala tip kong ka CGM code parhadian ka jingtian bishar la rai ban set chua sansingia patok kipulet na kabentaban pelongi ka jingtoken uba Julius ubala tap ya kadurkman balawan senran lang yu de kibayeng kumjo kibayajan bat u haringkat ka jing para ka bajor jong ka kanun pulet manchupin kan mau ba Julius ulasha ujor hadu southly ki jing ujor na ka jing don kti jong u ban chonglok jubor ya ka hebret ka bakhat snem kerta kumjo salai tili ki kes pala penhabi uru hapo kakendon 5 jong ka pokso ak pat kiwe hadian ka jingtian bishari ba Julius ka bat CCTV kala persang banyo jing penshai no ti nom ikmat ende ula kentaj pan kren ban kentho e pat ong penban unsai kren pat ularung bet syaka gypsy kipulet kabla ap lupa ban kit yu na kliang kipulet ka jela ba Vivek CM SPCT ka iska sales la yetu pala kemi ba Julius hadian ka jingyo jing tep ka babiang ba ka jing tok ken nang ni shikmat kan longru panyo kemi kwi pat ki badan kti
Maju. Kamu keren, ya. Keren hadian dalam Toto. Gini. Gini.
Whereby Julius Darpang is the accused, and in which the case was registered on the 24th of December. Whereby Julius Darpang was found to have left Shillong on the 27th and was found absconding after a gap of nearly 11 days. We have finally nabbed him in Guwahati last night at about 11 PM in ISBT Gorchuk. Prior to this, as I have already informed you, we have already conducted raids in several places, and after building our intelligence and information, which led us to Guwahati, whereby several raids were early made, we finally nabbed him in ISBT with the assistance of the Guwahati City Police.
Maju. Kamu keren, ya. Keren hadian dalam Toto. Gini. Gini. Oke.